Now let's move on to our math. So today in math, our focus is going to be touch math, subtraction, and time. We're also going to work on a category in IXL, and then we're going to go over to Study Ladder and do some time work in there. And then I'm going to show you my schedule for today using different times. Now that we are in our IXL, we're going to be working in category P. So let's find that letter. All right, we found the letter P. We're going to be working on time. So we are working on AM and PM. So AM stands for the night. AM stands for the morning, and PM stands for afternoon and night.
Beth is riding the bus home from school in the afternoon. The clock shows.
So the clock shows 3 o'clock. Are we in school at 3 o'clock in the morning or 3 in the afternoon? It's the afternoon, so it's PM. Ted is riding his bike in the afternoon. His watch shows. So he's riding his bike at 1 in the afternoon. So if it's afternoon, that means it is PM. Todd's clock is beeping early in the morning. The clock shows 6. What time is it? So it is early in the morning. So is it AM or 6 PM? Because it's morning, it is 6 AM. Matt is writing a letter one evening. The clock shows 8. What time is it? So the evening is closer to nighttime. So since it's nighttime, is it 8 a.m. or 8 p.m.? It's 8 at night, so it's 8 p.m. So for Study Ladder, we're going to go down to time. We're going to be working on our time. And we're going to be, we're going to be doing estimate the duration of time. Harry sleeps the whole night through. For about how long does Harry sleep? So if Harry sleeps for the entire night, he is sleeping from PM all the way until 8 a.m. So that means he's sleeping about 8 hours. About how long does it take to brush your teeth? So how long do you think it takes to brush our teeth? Do you think it takes 2 hours? No, that's way too long. It takes us about 3 minutes to brush our teeth. About how long does it take to kick a ball? Do you think it takes 1 minute? No, our foot moves a lot faster than that. It takes about 1 second to kick a ball. We can move our legs very fast. Tom watched a movie. About how long does a movie go for? Do you think a movie goes for 5 minutes? No, that would be more like a short clip. Movies go for about 1 hour and a bit, because 5 hours is too long and 20 minutes is too short. Okay, so here I have a schedule of the things that I am going to do today, and I have the different times from AM to PM. So at 9 a.m., because it's in the morning, at 9 a.m., I am doing work for Forum. At 2:30 p.m., because it's the afternoon by then, I have lunch. At 3 p.m., because it's afternoon, I went for a hike, or I'm gonna go for a hike. At 7:30 p.m., so at 7:30 p.m., it's gonna be nighttime. That's when I will come home from my hike and make dinner. And at 10 p.m., I'm gonna go to bed. So 10 o'clock p.m. is usually when I am starting to lay down. I have my cup of tea and I get ready for bedtime, and I have a great night of sleep. If you want at home, you can write down what you're gonna do for the day on a whole schedule, just like we used to read at school when we would read what we would do for the day. Maybe you can do that at home and make it a lot of fun.